1 Remote full-time jobs. Many companies offer full-time positions that can be done entirely from home. These jobs can range from customer service and marketing to software development and project management. 2 Freelancing and gig work. Freelancers can find opportunities in writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. 3 Online teaching and tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor or instructor. Platforms like VipKid, Coursera, and Udemy offer such opportunities. 4 Remote customer service. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle customer inquiries via phone, email, or chat. 5 Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative and support services to businesses. Tasks can include email management, scheduling, data entry, and more. 6 Content creation. If you have writing, video production, or graphic design skills, you can create content for blogs, YouTube, or social media. You can monetize your content through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling products. 7 Remote data entry and transcription. Data entry and transcription jobs are available online, and they don't always require advanced skills. 8 E-commerce and dropshipping. Start your own e-commerce store or engage in dropshipping, selling products through platforms like Shopify or Amazon. 9 Remote IT and tech support. If you have IT skills, you can offer remote tech support for individuals or businesses. 10 Remote healthcare and telemedicine. If you have medical or healthcare qualifications, consider remote telehealth or medical billing jobs. 11 Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies, which may not be full-time jobs but can provide some extra income.